Namaskar.
Welcome to World Eyes.
We welcome you all to our informative series. In today's video, we will be taking you all with us to one of the Shakti Peeths.
The Kamakhya Temple.
Before going into the video, we would request you all to subscribe to our channel, and if you haven't watched our previous videos yet, please do watch it and do like and share the videos. Link will be given in the description below.
The Kamakhya Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to the goddess Kamakhya, which is situated in the Nilachal mountain of the Kamrup district of Guwahati, Assam.
This temple is one of the 51 Shakti Peeths and is considered to be as one of the most important venerated shrines in India.
The Kamakhya Temple is dedicated to Ma Kamakhya or Sati, who was one of the numerous incarnations of goddess Durga or goddess Shakti.
According to the Kalika Purana, Kamakhya is the yielder of all desires, the young bride of Shiva, and the giver of salvation.
The temple of Kamakhya has a very interesting history of its origin. Once there was a yajna arranged by King Daksha, who was Sati's father. He invited each and every god but intentionally didn't invite Lord Shiva.
Mata Sati got to know this and became very angry, and then decided to go to her father's house to ask him as to why he didn't invite his son-in-law. Lord Shiva tried to stop Mata Sati to go there, but despite of Lord Shiva's disapproval, she went there to attend the universal yajna. And upon her arrival, her father insulted her husband. Unable to bear her father's insult towards her husband, Sati immolated herself. When Lord Shiva got to know about this, he went insane with rage. Enraged at the loss of his beloved Sati, Shiva in Veerabhadra avatar destroyed Daksha's yajna and cut off Daksha's head, and later on replaced Daksha's head with that of a goat. He placed Mata Sati's corpse on his shoulders and did the Tandav or dance of destruction. The intensity of the destroyer's fury was so overwhelming that it took several gods to pacify his anger.
The other gods requested Lord Vishnu to intervene and to stop this destruction, towards which Lord Vishnu used the Sudarshan Chakra, due to which Mata Sati's body got cut into 51 pieces, which fell in various parts, and out of all other body parts, Mata Sati's yoni fell where the Kamakhya temple stands today. This temple is very much ancient in origin and is considered to be one of the most sacred shrines. This temple was destroyed by Muslim invaders in the early 16th century. King Vishwasingha of Koch dynasty discovered the ruins of this temple and started to worship the goddess there.
But during the reign of Naranarayan of Koch dynasty, the reconstruction of the temple started and was completed in the year 1565. The current structure was built by the Ahom kings by preserving the remains of the Koch dynasty, which gave rise to an indigenous hemispherical dome-shaped shikhara in the top. The design of this temple is made with precision and intricacy, where different sculptures of gods and goddesses such as Lord Ganesha, Ma Chamundeshwari, and many more are present. The temple consists of 4 chambers named Garbhagriha, Kalanta, Pancharatna, and the Nritya Mandapa.
There is a mystery of this temple. Kamakhya Devi is also popularly known as the bleeding goddess. The womb of Shakti is installed in the Garbhagriha of this temple. In the month of June, the Brahmaputra river beside the Kamakhya temple turns red, as it is believed that the goddess bleeds during that time.
The most major festival of this temple is the Ambabuchi Mela, which is celebrated with huge joy, and devotees from around the world visit during that time. Some other festivals celebrated in this temple are Durga Puja, Manasha Puja. Every year, there is a huge rush in this temple of devotees from all over the world.
The Kamakhya temple is an important pilgrimage destination for general Hindu and especially for tantric worshippers. It is believed that for a tantric to be completely powerful, he must pay a visit to Kamakhya and pay his offerings and prayers to the goddess Kamakhya.
Kamakhya temple is one amongst the holiest shrines throughout India. This sacred temple is in the heart of the capital city of Assam and is one of the oldest and most important Shakti Peethas. The picturesque beauty and the serenity of this temple makes it more appealing and eye-catchy to the visitors.
Thank you for watching.
Let us know in the comment section below. Did you like watching our video? And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you.